Are you feeling stuck? Perhaps at a crossroads in your career or personal development, unsure of your next move. Many of us experience moments where progress seems to halt, leaving us searching for a clear path forward. But what if there was a powerful, innovative tool that could help you navigate these challenges and unlock your full potential? Imagine having a personal guide to illuminate your journey. Today, we're diving into the AI Leap, a revolutionary approach to building your dream plan using the incredible capabilities of artificial intelligence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more transformative insights. The first step in leveraging AI is to clearly define your current situation and aspirations. AI tools can help you articulate your goals with unprecedented clarity, moving beyond vague ideas to concrete objectives. By inputting your thoughts, experiences, and desires, AI can process vast amounts of information to identify patterns and suggest pathways you might not have considered. It's like having a super-intelligent brainstorming partner. Next, AI excels at identifying skill gaps and recommending personalized learning resources. Whether it's a new programming language or a leadership course, AI can pinpoint exactly what you need to acquire. This personalized learning journey ensures that every effort you make is directly contributing to your dream plan, making your development highly efficient and targeted. No more wasted time on irrelevant training. AI can also help you explore diverse career paths and opportunities that align with your evolving skills and interests. It can analyze market trends and job descriptions to find your perfect match. It moves beyond traditional job searching, offering insights into emerging industries and roles that might not even be on your radar yet. This opens up a world of possibilities for your future. The power of AI extends to networking and mentorship. It can identify key individuals and communities that could significantly boost your professional connections and provide invaluable guidance. Imagine being connected with mentors who have successfully navigated similar challenges, all facilitated by intelligent algorithms. This strategic networking can accelerate your growth exponentially. AI can even assist in crafting compelling personal branding materials, from optimizing your CV to refining your online presence. It ensures your unique strengths are highlighted effectively. This meticulous approach to presenting yourself can significantly increase your visibility and attractiveness to potential employers or collaborators. It's about putting your best foot forward. One of the most crucial aspects of the AI Leap is its ability to help you set realistic yet ambitious milestones. AI can break down your grand vision into manageable, actionable steps. It provides a structured roadmap, complete with timelines and progress tracking, ensuring you stay motivated and on course. This systematic approach prevents overwhelm and keeps you focused. AI can also offer continuous feedback and adjustments to your plan based on your progress and any changes in your circumstances. It's a dynamic, evolving strategy, not a static document. This adaptive planning ensures that your dream plan remains relevant and effective, guiding you through unforeseen challenges and opportunities. It's your personal strategic advisor. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you're finding these AI strategies inspiring. Your support helps us create more content to empower your journey. Beyond career, AI can assist in personal growth areas like habit formation, mindfulness, and even financial planning. It's a holistic tool for self-improvement. By analyzing your routines and preferences, AI can suggest personalized interventions to help you build positive habits and break negative ones. It's about creating a better you. For financial planning, AI can offer insights into budgeting, saving, and investment strategies tailored to your individual goals and risk tolerance. It demystifies complex financial decisions. The key to successfully implementing the AI leap is consistent engagement. Treat AI as a collaborative partner, regularly updating it with your progress and seeking its guidance. The more data and feedback you provide, the more refined and effective its recommendations will become, truly tailoring your dream plan to your unique journey. Embrace the iterative process. Your plan will evolve, and that's perfectly normal. AI is there to support every twist and turn, ensuring you never feel truly stuck again. The future of personal and professional growth is here, powered by artificial intelligence. It's not about replacing human effort, but augmenting it to achieve extraordinary results. By harnessing the AI leap, you're not just planning your future, you're actively designing it with intelligence, precision, and unparalleled support. Take control of your destiny. So, if you're ready to transform your life and build your dream plan, start exploring the possibilities AI offers today. The journey to an unstuck, fulfilling life begins now. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the AI leap. We hope you feel inspired and equipped to take your next steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more innovative strategies, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us grow. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep leaping forward with AI. We'll see you in the next video.